Hello guys, welcome to Python Codes channel.
Today's topic is data types. We see what is a data type and how many types of data types are there in Python. Let's go for the data types definition. In computer programming, data type specifies the type of data that can be stored inside a variable. That means every value has a data type and variable can hold values. Python is a powerful composable language. Consequently, we don't have to characterize the sort of variable while announcing it. The interpreter bind the value implicitly to its type. It means we did not specify the type of the variable and which has the value 5 from a integer. Here I am giving an example. Num equals to 32. Num is my variable name, 32 is my value. Let's it is an integer. We didn't declare any integer data type or float data type. We didn't declare any data type, right? Now coming to types of data types in Python, they are classified as numeric, sequence, set, boolean, dictionary. Just go with data types in Python. In numeric, there are three types: integer, float, complex. Boolean. Next, data collection comes under list, dictionary, tuple, set, string. Let's go for each and every one. Numeric data types contain in float complex. What it holds? It holds numeric values. Coming to integer data type, int can store integer values. It means whole numbers. What can be any length like numbers 10 to 29 minus 20 and so on. An integer can be any length you want in Python. Its worth has a place within unit inter. Next, float. Float stores drifting point numbers like 1.9, 9.902, 15.2, etc. It can be accurate to within 15 decimal places. Next, coming to complex, an integrate number contains an arranged pair like x plus iy, where x and y signifying the genuine and non-existing parts separately. The complex numbers like 2.14j plus 2.3j, etc. like that. Next, coming to sequence type, it holds items. Coming to string, it holds a sequence of characters, right? The sequence of characters in the quotation marks can be used to describe the string. A string can be defined in Python using single, double or triple quotes. Next, how should we define a string? Using a variable equals to, in double quotes we have to pass our value. Next, list. We know that list in Python are like arrays in C, but list can contain data of different types. The thing put away is in the rundown are isolated with a comma and enclosed inside square brackets. We can see list can declared in a square brackets. We can pass any of the data types we can use in it is like a heterogeneous collection. And next, tuples. Coming to tuples, tuples is like a list. Tuples like list also contains a collection of items from various data types. A parenthetical space separates the tuples components from one another. It is only read-only data structure. Why? Because we can't change the values inside the tuple. We can't append, we can't do any actions like that. So next, coming to dictionaries. Dictionary is a key value pair set arranged in any order. It stores a specific value for each key like an associative array or a hash table. Values in any Python object, while the key can hold any primitive data type. Then comma and the curly braces are used to separate the items in the dictionary, right? Next, coming to boolean. Boolean in the sense true or false. True and false are the two default values for the boolean type. These qualities are utilized to decide the given assertion valid or misleading. The class book indicates this. False can be represented by the 0 and or the letter F, while true can be represented by any value that is not 0. Okay, right. Next, set. The data types unordered collection in Python set. It is iterable, mutable, and has remarkable components. The elements of the set has no set order. It might return the elements altered sequence. Either a sequence of elements is passed through the curly braces and separated by a comma to create the set, or the built-in function set is used to create the set. It can contain different kinds of values, and these are the topics we have covered in data types. Please do subscribe Python Codes channel, guys.